We're here at 5 a.m. Right now, more federal agents are heading to Minneapolis to help with ICE enforcement.
This is clashes with agents already are happening here, intensifying as well following last week's deadly shooting. This is new video into the newsroom this morning from the Whipple building at Fort Snelling. You can see protesters yelling at agents before one rolls some kind of smoke bomb to break up the crowd. Our Audrey Russo is joining us live there this morning. Audrey, any activity since you've been there this morning?
Well, no protester activity, Jason and Alicia, from what we can see. Things are pretty quiet. No long lines of federal agents either. The only thing we have seen so far, trucks bringing in more concrete barriers. They're setting them up alongside the perimeter of the Whipple building. But we know that there are more ICE agents expected to come in to Minneapolis this morning. And we know this because in an interview on Fox News on Sunday, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem said that she was deploying hundreds more here to Minneapolis to join the surge that is already here in the city and has been here throughout the last week. Now, she describes this as a mission to uncover corruption here in the city of Minneapolis. Now, at the Whipple building over the weekend, we know federal lawmakers were told that they were not allowed entry into the Whipple building, and this is where ICE detainees are held. This is where ICE agents stage. These federal lawmakers wanted to go in and see more of the operations inside, and they were told that they were not allowed to go inside. So all of this comes as in the last 12 hours, President Trump made new remarks on the demonstrations that are happening as a whole and on the investigation into the shooting death of Renee Good. Take a listen.
That woman was very, very disrespectful to law enforcement. And you heard the same noises, you saw the same crunch that I saw. You can't do that with law enforcement, whether it's police or ICE or Border Patrol or anybody else.
Now, local and federal leaders remain at odds over the narrative into what happened and the investigation as a whole. I've got more on that coming up in about 30 minutes, but for now, I'll send things back to you.
All right, Audrey Russo reporting live outside the Whipple building. We'll be checking throughout the morning. Thanks so much.